everyone, my name is Shuming, a software engineer. I like to play with the Raspberry Pi in my spare time. All right, let's rock. How many of you like Tesla cars? I'm a big Tesla car fan. Tesla has a self-driving capability. This is amazing. This is the future of driving. Do you think you can make a self-driving car? Yes, you can. With the Raspberry Pi, you can make a self-driving car toy. It looks very complex. Maybe if you can write a Python program to analyze the road pictures, if you can set up the Raspberry Pi to control the motors, you can make it. This year, don't worry, you don't have to do these challenging projects. However, we provide you a very simple projects. You still can learn all these skills and even more. You can use the motors to control a pencil, draw a picture. Today, let me demo this project, a pencil plotter. Then I will give you some ideas how to extend this project. And lastly, I will introduce some very, very exciting projects built with the Raspberry Pi. Take a look at this video. It's a pencil plotter. It's plotting a picture. The picture is shown on the screen. You see, I'm running a Python program. It's analyzing that picture. What do you think? Is it difficult? Maybe. But we will provide you a very, very detailed guide. You can follow the steps to build up your own pencil plotter. In this project, you will learn how to set up the Raspberry Pi, how to run a Python program to analyze the picture. The pencil plotter machine is very simple. Just 3 motors, 2 popsicle sticks, 1 pencil, and 1 wooden clips. You can use the breakout kit to wire all these components together. Bam! It's done! How excited! Someone may think, it looks easy. Well, I have to say you are talented. But still, you can extend this project. Let me give you some ideas. Raspberry Pi has a camera module. You can plug it to the board, and you can take a picture of your pet dog or take a selfie and draw it. You will have a lot of fun with your family. But don't stop, you can do more. Do you want to share the plotting picture to your friends? You can write a program to control that picture and post it on Twitter. Don't stop, you can do more. Do you want to add some artificial intelligence feature to your pencil plotter? How about using your voice to control your plotter? Sounds very hard. Maybe hard. Let me give you some hints on the solution. You can leverage the echo dot. I believe some of you can develop the application on the cloud computing. For example, Amazon AWS. Amazon provides an IoT platform. This is an awesome service. You can connect your Raspberry Pi to it. You can write application and run it on the cloud to control your pencil plotter. Behind the Echo Dot, Amazon provides Alexa service. You can invoke your application from there. And now you see, we connected all this together. You can talk to your Alexa. Alexa, take a picture, draw it, post it. Wow. This is AI project. With the Raspberry Pi, there's no limit. You can make a lot of projects. The Raspberry Pi is very small, but it is a fully functional computer. You can run advanced programming language like C, C++, Python, Java, Node.js. The beauty of the Raspberry Pi is it can connect almost all standard sensors and components. You can make a lot of funny projects. For example, with the humidity sensor, you can build a humidity meter. With the gas sensor, you can make a gas alarming system. With the motion sensor, you can monitor the postman drop off your package in front of your door. There are thousands of projects online. Today, let me introduce 3 very, very exciting projects. The first one, the scientists in Germany put the Raspberry Pi in the ocean. They use the camera-equipped Pi to monitor and research coral activity. Unbelievable! The Raspberry Pi can run in the ocean. The second one, a scientist uses Raspberry Pi to control a 360-degree camera to take pictures in the forest. And he made a virtual forest online, so people can see a 360 view of a day in a forest at home. The last project, this is the one I like best. A high school student designed an experiment to detect unwanted movement in spacecraft fluid tanks. The NASA engineers giving her a peer review. This is amazing. You see, from the ocean to the space, you can run Raspberry Pi anywhere. Back to the beginning. What do you think of self-driving car? Can you make it? Yes, you can. Learn science and technology. You can make it. Today, you can start from a simple one. A pencil plotter. Learn some basic skills. After you finish it, you build up your own pencil plotter. You will be very close to making your own self-driving car. Are you ready? Join the SECC workshop. This is the time. Thank you.